Welcome to our channel. If you want to make the most of telehealth appointments, follow these step-by-step instructions for effective virtual healthcare. Step 1. Check if your insurance covers telehealth visits. Most plans now cover virtual appointments at the same rate as in-person visits, but copays and requirements may vary. Step 2. Download your provider's telehealth app or verify the video platform they use. Test your camera, microphone, and internet connection before your scheduled appointment. Step 3. Find a quiet, well-lit private space for your appointment. Good lighting helps your doctor see you clearly, and privacy ensures confidentiality for sensitive health discussions. Step 4. Prepare for your telehealth visit like an in-person appointment. Have your medication list, symptom notes, questions, and health history ready to discuss with your provider. Step 5. Position your camera at eye level and ensure your face is clearly visible. Proper camera placement helps your doctor observe your appearance and nonverbal cues. Step 6. Understand which conditions are appropriate for telehealth. Virtual visits work well for routine follow-ups, medication management, minor illnesses, and mental health care. Step 7. Know when in-person care is necessary. Emergencies, severe symptoms, physical examinations, diagnostic tests, and procedures require in-person visits. Step 8. Follow up as directed and keep records of your virtual visits. Request visit summaries and prescriptions through your patient portal and schedule necessary in-person appointments or testing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.